A stick, a stone, it's the end of the road. The rest of us stand a little alone. A sliver of glass, it is life, it's the sun. The night is death, the trap, a gun. The oak when it blooms, a fox in the brush, a knot in the wood, the song of a thrush. The wood of the wind, a cliff, a fall, a scratch, a lump, it is nothing at all. It's the wind blowing free, it's the end of a slope. The beam, a void, a hunch, a hope. And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. The end of the stream, the joy in your heart. The foot, the ground, the flesh, the bone. The beat of the road, a slingshot stone. A fish, a flash, a silvery glow. A fight, a bet, the range of a bow. The bed of the well, the end of the line. The dismay in the face, a loss to find. A spear, a spike, a point, a nail. A drip, a drop, the end of the tale. A trunk load of bricks in the soft morning light. The sound of a shot in the dead of the night. A mile, a must, a thrust, a bump, a girl, a rhyme. It's a code, it's the mumps. The plan of the house, the body in bed, and the car that got stuck is the